What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben Windsor TV2 and today I have got another unboxing for you guys. So what we are unboxing today is the New Balance MS977 or 997, whatever the fuck they're called. They are one of the most slept on sneakers of 2019, so I'm really excited to get these unpackaged for you today on fresh out of the box. And just before we actually begin with the unboxing, let me just get this hint of lemon wipe out here. Because these trainers are so fresh, I feel like we need a bit of KFC flavour to, you know, just clean up the fucking box in this bitch. So anyway, KFC wipe done. Let's get on with the unboxing. So today, to unbox the actual box, we do have to use a shank, or some refer to them as a pizza cutter. So J Hus will be happy about that. Now, I'm going to actually slice this open, or try to. Without destroying the contents. Oh, fucking hell. I really don't make life easy for myself by trying to show off on these videos, but fuck it. Well packaged. Very nicely done, New Balance. So this is actually the first time I bought from New Balance online, and comes with a little thing there, a little return label as well. Excellent. And these should be in a size UK 10. So from first impressions, the box is very nice. It comes in a nice grey box. It's a UK 10, USA 10.5. And yeah, it's the MS997 JCF. I'm not sure what the JCF stands for. But yeah, I actually got these for £76.50. And the quality on them is just really nice. Man, so a lot of you might have seen the New Balance bodegas. And these are quite similar to that in many ways. I was actually thinking about replacing the laces, but I actually like these laces so much. Ah, oh, fucking hell, Alexa. Alexa! Alexa! Stop! Oh yeah, look at this as well. Man's nicked this from the Docklands Light Railway. Amount of times I've been caught fare dodging on that shit, and you know, the amount of fines, so fuck them. But anyway, back to the point in hand in the video. Yeah, I really sort of rated these shoes, and when I saw that the bodegas had come out, and these were sort of the most similar sort of shoe that I could find to that look, I thought 100% I'm gonna grab them. And yeah, they're just really nice. So they have this detailing here. Instantly there's a suede. And the amount of detailing on the shoe actually is really impressive. A really nice suede at the front again. And the colours just blend in really well together. I think you'll agree that the pink and the green and the black, everything just blends in really nicely. I am considering still changing the laces on these. But yeah, considering the bodegas in a size 10 are like something like £2,000 on StockX, for £76.50, a little absorb detailing there, £76.50, you really can't go wrong. You want to get these. Also with New Balance as well, I would highly recommend grabbing a code online, because they're one of those shoes that always have codes available. But yeah, they're just so fresh. I'm actually really pleased with them, seeing them in person. I was kind of worried because you never know how they're going to look online. But yeah, they're so fresh. I love them. And there's just the little detailings, right? I'll put them down there, but even so you even have this little detailing here. So you've got motion control device underneath there. In cap reveal, absorb. I love all the little bits of text on there. The shoes themselves with the white overlay there. It's actually really sunny in London right now as well, so I'm gonna go and wear out these, and I'll of course as well do an on feet for you guys, just to show what they look like when they're tried on, because it's rare that I actually get shoes in my size on this channel. But yeah, I would highly recommend them, just as they are a really nice pair of trainers. Let's get one final shot of them like that as well, you know, just so I've got a good thumbnail to go off on YouTube. But yeah, nah, they are so nice. Would highly recommend, if you have the money, to grab a pair, and I'll do a little on feet for you guys now. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff, and the on feet will be coming now.
Flow so hard, beats the best. Let me get this one right here off my chest. It's your boy Bo, I ain't trying to be settling for less. Oh yes, I've had enemies that I turned into frenemies. Spitting riddles in the middle, that's my pedigree. Let it breathe, somehow they just better see that I'm just trying to be me.